how to transfer Ethereum from Metamask to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through the steps on how you can transfer your money from Ethereum to Metamask to Binance. So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to go ahead into your MetaMask, and once you've opened up the wallet of MetaMask, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure you have Ethereum in that wallet. Now, once you have Ethereum in that wallet, you're going to come to your Binance, and over here in your account, you're going to go with your Binance wallet address, and your Binance wallet address is a designated set, you could say, a link, and you're going to use that link to, get that address. So you're going to find your Binance wallet address, and what you're going to do is you're going to come to send in your MetaMask wallet, and once you're sending, you're going to add that wallet address in the send, and that is how you're going to transfer Ethereum from your MetaMask to your Binance wallet. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.